Network Entertainment.
All prayers are answered. So sabi ni Lord, sabi mo kasi yan yung gusto mo.
Oo.
Ngayon namang andyan na,
Parang that's the life you prayed for.
Kumbaga, be careful what you wish
I
for.
was gonna say
diba?
that. We must understand why muna. Bakit we get these inspirations? Para din when life becomes tougher, first there's meaning why you do things, there's purpose
Yeah.
why you do things, but most essentially, you know how to value your blessings.
Mga Immortal, welcome to the Underpaid Podcast. I'm your host, Stanley Chi. Ito ang podcast na pro-employee para sa mga Immortal wherein we talk about work-related topics in a light manner na parang nagkukwentuhan lang tayo sa pantry. Kasama ko ang co-host ko ngayon, si Zar de los Reyes.
Hello!
Oh, Zar, Happy New Year sa'yo ah.
Happy New Year! Kahit
Oo.
anong date na ngayon.
Hindi, kasi ito yung unang recording natin ng 2026.
Tama.
Yung mga iba kasi ginawa natin December.
Oo.
So,
And very exciting today, di ba?
syempre, kasi habang nire-record natin tong episode na to, this is the journaling workshop of Underpaid. Yung Underplan.
Underplanned.
Oo. And may
Yun.
mga different speakers tayo. Maraming pag-uusapan. At yung guest natin ngayon is one of our speakers sa journaling workshop. He's a Reiki healer, tarot card reader, at marami pang iba. And we will talk about manifestation.
Yeah, manifestation for the new year. Also, please note na meron nanonood sa atin inside the studio.
Yes,
di ba?
meron. Oo.
Ayun,
Yung
ano naman, mag-ingay naman kayo.
Yung mga workshoppers natin na nandito.
And
ngayon.
live audience,
Oo.
di ba?
Ayun.
Napapadod rin tayo, hindi lang sa studio pati yung mga nasa labas na mga workshoppers,
Oo.
nanonood rin sila.
Habang pumipili ng mga stickers, yung mga travel stickers nila.
Oo. And kasi marami tayong dapat pasalamatan bukod sa TPN. May mga sponsors tayo.
TPN
na,
is, of course, the Pod Network.
The Pod Network na, syempre, partner natin yan.
Oo. At saka, ito yung venue ng ating event, na journaling workshop, and it's our podcast studio.
Marami tayong event sponsors ngayon. Mamaya babanggitin ko isa-isa. Pero ngayon, pakilala na natin ang ating guest for this episode, Marky Mendoza.
Hi, Marky.
Hello, good
Welcome
morning.
back.
Yes, it's so nice to be back, and it's such an honor to always be part, not just of the Underpaid, but most especially we're kicking off our year with a workshop. So I'm very honored to be part of our workshop for today.
Ayun.
Maraming salamat sa pag-imbita.
Oh, it's
Si-
our pleasure.
Marky is a Reiki healer, a tarot
Yes.
card reader, and a motivational speaker.
Wow.
Lahat na.
Yes.
Oo.
And tumutulay din ako sa Alambre at
Ay, totoo ba yan?
Ha?
Sample nga.
mamaya sa live na audience. Good morning everybody, and I'm so happy to be talking about manifestation for today. Most especially we are starting our year. So even if medyo patapos na yung month natin, pwede pa rin natin siyang ihabol because
Tama.
it's never too late to start manifesting.
Kasi ipapalabas natin to bago mag-Chinese New Year.
Oo.
Happy Chinese
Kaya
New
para
Happy
saan yan?
Chinese New
Para sa
Year,
mga mag-celebrate
Stanley.
ng Chinese New Year.
Saktong
Ito, pwede
sakto
sila
naman.
mag-manifest pa rin naman.
Pero why do you think it's important to manifest at the, well, anytime, pero especially siguro at the beginning of the year?
Yun yung sinasabi ko kanina, it's never too late to manifest. Because essentially, pag sinasabi natin yun sa buong buhay natin, we should never tell ourselves in general that it's too late. So when I say it's
Okay.
too late, I mean, I am not also just referring to, it's of course starting our new year will be fitting kasi it's like a refresh ng ating buong taon. We are going to give ourselves that new chance and opportunity for us to become better, essentially. So there is no timeline when we will become better. It's always just a commitment on when we would want to take that further step to become better.
Kumbaga sinasabi ni Marky, oo, manifest ka nga ng manifest, goal setting ka ng goal setting, pero hindi ka kumikilos.
Oo.
So dapat gumalaw-galaw ka rin.
Alam mo, very good. And it's very scientific at the same time. Kasi, I mean, ako lalo as a speaker, I would always want my references na hindi lang. Kasi, remember, kaya nga din siguro para sa mga audience natin later sa workshop natin for today, I'm kind of like the odd one out in the workshop. Bakit kayo mag-iimbita ng isang spiritual na teacher in a journaling workshop? But remember, everything, when we reference everything about our principles in life, we also talk about essentially us as human beings. We have our physical body, which is our vessel, and every vessel has a soul. So pagdating sa workshop natin today, ito yung soul. Ito yung pinaka-core ng
Yeah.
ating workshop when it comes to manifesting, how to become better in journaling. And how to also understand, because we're gonna be, later on, we will be also talking about vision boards. How do
Yeah.
we turn this into reality? We always have to put the soul so that it comes to life.
Yeah.
Marky, bukod dyan, syempre, mamaya yung iba, sa umpisa lang. Mag-manifest tayo, gawin natin yung goal setting sa umpisa. Pag kalagitnaan ng taon, biglang tumitigil, nawawalan ng
Yeah.
gana.
How do you-
Pag-uusapan din natin yan di ba?
How do you follow through?
Very good. Ito nga lagi kong sinasabi every time because, and here is another important reminder. I also love, kumbaga, sharing the wisdom because these are also the same principles and the same wisdom that I also follow each and every day. I cannot teach something that I cannot also prove. I cannot also vouch that it has worked tremendously in my life. First of all, it has to be something that also manifested in my life. Dapat nag-work siya sa akin. Dapat this is also something that I can be very proud of. That's why I'm willing to share. And it has worked tremendously in our life. But I will always say, it's a commitment. Everything is always a commitment. So, ang lagi mo sasabihin is that if I'm willing to change and to become better, how much effort and commitment can I also give to become better? Because si Stanley, sinasabi niya kanina, dapat gagalaw tayo. We always have to remember the principles of science as well. Sa Newton's third law of action, in every action, there's always gonna be an unequal reaction.
Yeah.
But there must be action first. You have to move. Kaya nga sabi natin, sometimes when I also watch fellow na mga motivational speakers and also fellow na mga content creators that also promote manifestation, and I will always hear manifestation this way. So I commonly see and observe manifestation when they teach it na money comes to me easily. Money comes to me easily. So,
Oh,
di ba,
okay.
they will always say, you declare. So, when you declare, that's you verbalizing it. So, asan ang action natin dun? How do we manifest it in our life and put it into action, create a habit out of it until it finally becomes who you are? So, manifestation is not wishful thinking. Yung parang sana maging
Kasi
ganito
some
ako.
people would think that na parang okay, when you think na I can do this or I can do that pero hindi ka gagalaw.
Correct. And I believe this is also one of the reasons why people sometimes not believe in manifestation. In the power of manifestation, people may think na hindi siya masyadong totoo kasi sasabihin mo lang like magically how will it appear?
Kailangan gumagalaw ka rin, gumagawa ka ng paraan
Correct.
para matupad din yung pangarap mo.
And sa workshop natin for today, I will also share a very easy, relatable steps on how to not just wish for it, but how to become what you
Yeah.
want to become. So there are always tools, steps,
Yeah.
network. So in short, you will always have to have many things to help you. Not just your thoughts. Because when we also hear manifestation, dapat isinasa puso siya, dapat lagi mo siya iniisip. How do you let it out and turn it into action? And then the action will always have a reaction. So paano tayo pupunta doon sa phase of reaction kung hindi nga tayo gagalaw? And that movement is a commitment. You have to commit na, okay, today I'm gonna move. Para meron tayong when you move, there's gonna be an action, there's always gonna be a reaction. And honestly, if you don't move, there's also gonna be a reaction. No
Oo.
movement, no
Di
progress.
stagnant ka,
Oo.
dyan lang, di ba?
Parang yung mga tambay lang. Mag-wish-wish ka lang na
Oo.
okay, gusto ko ng ganito, gusto ko ng ganyan, tapos wala kang gagawin.
But also believe me when I say there are also very rare occasions when things fall into place like that.
Well, sa bagay,
Like
yeah.
may mga windfall luck, may mga ganyan. Believe me when I say, of course, everything is possible. But the thing is, it's not for everybody. Merong may mga cases na biglang ganun. But
Okay.
it's not for everybody. So
True.
for those cases, paano natin siya makukuha?
Bigyan mo ng background yung mga nakikinig sa atin, yung mga immortal na underpaid listeners. Paano mo na gawa yung manifestation sa sarili mo?
in many things in terms of commitment, I will tell you one very basic principle in terms of manifestation, and also linking it to movement, and also knowing that it is going to be a commitment. And just like how I shared this, naalala mo in our first podcast, I also gave tips to manifest, but we were also focusing on how to syempre yung ano natin, ang focus natin is for promotion for employees, etc., to become a better version of yourself as an employee. But in general, we are also talking in general, how do we also understand those little steps in manifestation, and paano natin maiintindihan yung little steps na yon. So first of all, you'll be surprised na a very easy tip na ibibigay ko is to learn how to organize yourself. So when I say learn how to organize yourself, everything has to be systematic. So how do we become systematic?
Okay.
Being organized and systematic, this is also meaning that you are willing to arrange everything in your life. What are you going to arrange primarily? You're going to arrange how to organize your schedule, how you organize everything about your house, your space, how you organize yourself. This becomes a reflection of how you develop a skill. Anong skill yung dine-develop natin? That awareness na you have to have that energy to fix many things. Why? Because we are wanting to improve. So a part of the things that you need to focus on is paano ko magi-improve kung hindi ko rin in-organize yung sarili ko.
So kumbaga, may gagawin ka rin sa sarili mo bukod sa nag-wishful thinking ka. Halimbawa, ikaw, pinangarap mo dati, kinikwento mo is gusto mo maging boss sa opisina ninyo.
Yeah.
'Di ba? And then, inalam mo kung paano yung trabaho ng lahat.
Correct.
Tapos, in-apply mo sa sarili mo.
Correct.
Kaya nagkaroon ng promotion, tumaas ang sweldo mo.
And-
Ngayon, halimbawa, yung listener natin, gusto ko magkaroon ng bagong kotse. Gusto ko nang magkaroon ng bagong bahay. Gusto
Maraming
ko magkaroon
ganun,
ng
diba?
ganitong gamit. Paano nila i-manifest yan?
And linking it to being organized. Kasi sabi ko, kailangan organized tayo, magiging systematic tayo, di ba? So, mamaya, I will go in depth to understanding. First, we have to always understand why we get these inspirations. Because later on, when we talk about specifically vision board, you get inspired by it. That's why it
Yeah.
becomes a goal, di ba? Pero you also first have to understand, bakit ko siya gusto? Why am I feeling so inspired to have it? It can be it's a part of a necessity, because those are part of the things that we have to also accomplish. But at the same time, sometimes we find it as a form of success. Ito yung measure of success natin.
Kumbaga parang bragging rights mo. Kailangan ko ng ganyan para makita ng tao na
Bragging rights ba
nakaangat-angat na
talaga
ako sa
tawag
buhay.
doon?
Pwede, di ba? #blessed.
Oo.
Very blessed.
Oo.
And
Very blessed.
Pero honestly, there is no judgment kung ano man ang intention natin. But it is important that you understand.
Yeah.
Bakit why it triggers something in you that you want to feel inspired by it. So, yung inspiration na yun, it has to again be structured. So, what will it take? Sabi ni Stan, magkakotse. Okay? So, iisipin mo yung isang tao na nagkakotse, paano siya nagkakotse? Anong ginagawa ng isang tao na nagkaroon ng kotse? Kung halimbawa, you know this person na started humbly, nag-start sa rank and file,
Oo.
nagko-commute initially, na-promote, biglang nagkaroon ng kotse. So that train of thought, from starting from the very bottom,
Oo.
nagkaroon ng movement to promotion, eventually, nagkaroon siya ng reaction, nagkaroon siya ng kotse. So what does this person possess as
Yeah.
a skill? Anong skill meron siya?
Eto, may tanong ako kay Stanley. Paano mo nakuha yung Vespa mo?
Nag-ipon ako.
Nag-ipon. Minanifest mo?
Ako personally, nag-isip ako, ano bang sasakyan ng pag ginamit ko hindi ako masyadong gagastos sa gas. Naisip
Okay.
ko, gusto ko ng scooter. Anong klaseng scooter? Kailangan
Oo.
specific ka eh.
Very good. And and imagine mo yung processing nung to understand why he wanted it, because there should always be a reason behind things.
Yeah.
So that while you're achieving that goal, hindi mo tatanong, ba't ko nga ba ito ginagawa? Pag
Oo.
nahihirapan ka na to achieve it, because I'm not gonna tell everyone that it's easy to manifest because there's a process to manifest.
So, mas madali kapag may purpose rin yung pagmamanifest mo.
Para naiintindihan mo kung
Oo.
bakit. Because there will be tough times wherein you will question things.
Lalo na kung mababaw yung dahilan mo kung bakit mo bibili ng isang bagay.
It has to be meaningful kasi.
Oo, kasi kunyari,
Oo.
yung iba, gusto ko bumili ng ganito para makapagyabang ako sa mga classmates ko.
Oo.
Eh di mababaw yun. Medyo mawawalan ka ng gana sa kalagitnaan. At least ito, ang purpose
Or
ko.
magsasawa ka. Pwede ka magsawa.
But believe me when I say, no matter what your intention is,
Okay.
if you really focus on it, makukuha mo.
Oo.
Pero imagine mo, dahil nga, in essence, if we also talk about that scientific term of Newton's third law of motion, in a biblical term, we also call this the golden rule. Okay?
Yeah.
Or essentially, for us Hindus, we call it the law of karma. Or is in Filipino, kung anong tinanim siya yaanihin.
Tama.
So, syempre pag nagtanim ka and you do it consistently and you give the best conditions, when I say best conditions, hindi naman porke may buto ka dyan, pag sinut mo sa lupa, automatic jack in the beanstalk ang mangyayari. Diba? You have to give the best conditions. Paarawan natin. We have to
Oo,
also
diligan,
water it.
oo.
The work. So mag-action na naman. But essentially, it will grow. So what that means is that even if in that example, let's say, na for some reason, hindi ganun kalalim ang ating mga intention kung bakit natin gusto ma-achieve ang mga bagay. But I'm telling you, if you do it, you will still get it. But
Oo.
when you get it, when you finally are able to manifest, how would you appreciate it?
Oh,
Ako,
medyo...
may story nga ako dyan eh. Di ba sa mga interviews ko, pag tinatanong sa akin why I work so hard, alam mo ba ang sagot ko? Because gusto ko makapag-graduate sa Lasal Green Hills yung anak ko. Kasi third generation Lasal Green Hills kid yun eh. So yung dad ko, yung brother ko, and then yung anak ko, Lasal Green Hills. So since 2010, yun ang sinasabi ko sa mga tao.
So may mga kamag-anak ka bang nag-Ateneo High School?
Oo, meron.
Ano, kinutsa nyo ba? Ganun?
Sinasabi ng dad ko, corny daw mag-jokes. Hindi, seryoso. Seryoso to. Like, ito yung mga old school, Lasal, Ateneo, yung tipong
Rivalry,
nagbabarahan sila.
medyo,
At saka
ano,
yung kahit pumupunta sa mall, naka-Lasal Green Hills na shirt.
The diehards, yeah.
Pumupunta sa mall, naka-Ateneo
ganun
na
ka
shirt.
diehard.
So,
Oo.
yun yung family na kinalakihan ko. So, ibig sabihin, yung anak ko, at least Lasal Green Hills. So, anyway, so 2010 ko yun minanifest. Tapos, 2023, nakapag-graduate yung anak ko sa Lasal Green Hills. Tapos ngayon, nasa, na siya, DLSU.
Oo.
Ayun. So, di ba?
So na-manifest niya.
And
Correct.
it's very expensive. Reality. Very
Correct.
expensive.
Correct.
Magpaaral ka sa ganung school.
Na
But
TRISEM.
it's done. TRISEM. So, mahal.
Correct.
And it's done. And once it's
Correct.
done, parang ang sarap pala ng feeling. Ito yung ito yung minanifest ko.
Ito yung pinaghirapan mo
oo.
at pinagdasal mo. Di ba? Nagpunta
Yeah.
ka pa ng Padre Pio noon para Hindi. Totoo
Pero
yun eh.
alam mo,
Oo. Yung may
honest-
spiritual part din doon na yung pinagdadasal mo.
Very
Diba?
good. Alam mo, Zar and Stanley, when I have an opportunity to speak and to also share wisdom, hindi ako takot to also open my life to everybody because my life has to be a clear reflection of what I teach. So, speaking of, napakaganda ng motivation ni Zars. Then, parang, hindi siya, kung tutuusin mo, halimbawa, pag nagtatrabaho tayo, okay, may kailangan akong tuition. Anong deadline ko? Okay. Kailan ko kailangan i-submit to? So, ibig sabihin, kailangan by this time, may magawa na ako, may opportunity na ako to earn, masasave ko at this much, and then mababayad ko siya, and then I can breathe better.
Yeah. And take note 2010 when I manifested it, I was only earning 35,000 a month. But then after a few months, I was already earning mga sabihin ko na ba? Hindi.
6 figures
Hindi.
na yan.
Okay.
6 figures na yan.
Sige.
So, di ba? Yun na lang.
2010, I was already earning 200,000 after a few months.
2010 to, ha?
Oo. Pero not bad na yun.
Correct.
Oh, kasi from 35, biglang, okay, after a few months,
kumbaga, minanifest
very
din naman
big
niya.
jump.
Pero
Saka-
pinaghirapan
Pero
niya.
wait lang, Zar, in 2010, ang 200,000 ay hindi kung ano ang 200,000 ngayon.
Oh, tama.
Correct. So, I mean, when you talk about the value of what 200,000 was before, that's huge.
Oo.
That's huge. And that's a huge jump.
Oh, syempre. alam mo, kasama din niya sa manifestation natin, to understanding manifestation, you don't aim for something na parang pag nakuha mo, ikakagulat mo. Na hala, eto palang responsibilities ko, which nangyari sa akin. Sabi ko, minanifest, sabi ko, okay, I need to get promoted. I want to tell myself that I've become better, so I want to also become promoted.
Yeah.
And then I got promoted. And then here are the things that I needed to do. And to be honest with you, I was not ready.
Yeah.
I was not ready kasi hala, nakuha ko na yung, Lord,
Nakuha
ito na
mo na yung ano,
ito na po yung pinagdasal ko. Ito na po yung pinaghirapan ko. Tapos ganito pala siya kahirap. Now, how do I maintain this? Because hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na, Lord, hindi mo naman sinabing mahirap pala yung gusto ko, Lord.
Oo.
Diba? I mean, remember, when we talk about this, in the spiritual aspect of things, pinagdasal natin. I mean, when we are talking about that supreme being, no matter which belief system you follow, what religion or belief system you follow, what name of God you follow, it's a very loving God. Na hindi ka magdadasal sa Diyos natin, na hindi tayo pagbibigyan, all prayers are answered. So sabi ni Lord, sabi mo kasi yan yung gusto mo. Ngayon namang andyan na,
Parang that's the life you prayed for.
Kumbaga, be careful what you wish for.
I was gonna say
diba?
that. Because, kaya nga, in our workshop later, we must understand why muna. Bakit we get these inspirations. Para din, when life becomes tougher, first, there's meaning why you do things. There's purpose.
Yeah.
Why you do things. But most essentially, you know how to value your blessings.
I like
Pag
that.
nakuha mo na. Diba?
Correct.
Kasi may mga iba, nabigyan ng blessing, parang they take it for granted.
And
Tapos pag nawala, tsaka nila pinagsisisihan.
Or parang they quit because
Pag
it's too
mahirap.
much.
Oh, yeah.
it's too much.
well, I honestly felt that. And hindi talaga ako mahihiyang sabihin sa inyo na I got promoted.
Yeah.
And medyo na-realize ko na hindi ako ganun kasipag. Because when we talk about being a manager, you have to not just manage your own performance, you manage everybody else's performance. And you have to monitor, when you are working individually, let's say you're rank and file, ang sarili mo lang ang iniisip mo.
Tama.
Ngayon, you have to look after every people. My performance is a reflection of everybody's performance. So, that means whoever is under your wing, equally, dapat monitored mo.
Okay.
Di ba?
Marky, alam mo kasi medyo kailangan nating bitinin ng konti. So ngayon pa lang, hihingi na ako ng 5 tips kung paano mag-manifest
Correct.
yung mga listeners natin, lalo na yung mga magjo-journal. Kasi yung iba nakikinig, ngayon pa lang magjo-journal, magbigay ka ng 5 quick tips sa kanila.
My first tip is to always learn how to organize yourself. Because when we talk about organizing ourselves, we are talking about the foundation of everything. So when we organize everything in our thoughts, it should also reflect in our actions, and the action will always have a reaction. And my tip, if we haven't really understood how we can organize ourselves, there are many tools. You can have your calendar, organizers.
Yeah.
You have many tools on your cell phone, digital, or if you have notebooks. It's better if you are up to date. Monitor it every minute, by the hour, every second, as organized as you can. Because the more organized you can, the direction is clear. The direction on the schedule is clear. Hindi ka maliligaw kung anong gagawin ko.
Yeah.
My next step is to also commit genuinely. That means when we are na kasama yan sa pag-organize ng mga ng mga plano natin, we would also have to have that power to commit. And when I say power to commit, may you have the best energy o hindi, your commitment will always stand. That's the
Kahit
most
pagod ka. Ganun,
kahit
no?
na puyat.
Kahit puyat. Actually, puyat ako ngayon. Puyat ni
Puyat
Stanley.
Puyat din ako
Oh,
today.
puyat tayong lahat.
But
Oh.
we have a commitment.
Yeah.
And na dapat kahit anong given condition, ang commitment hindi nagbabago. And after being genuinely committed to it, no matter what energy you have, the highs and lows of your energy, you're gonna show up. And that's my next tip. Show
Show
up.
up. Oo.
Yeah.
Show up.
May mga iba kasi paano halimbawa organize sila.
Yes.
Nag-commit sila pero ay pumasok ng Sabado. Paano yan?
Yun nga anong tawag dito? Kaya nga, ang sinabi ko sa ating number 2 na tip is, dapat ang commitment ay genuine.
Oo.
Kasi minsan talaga, when we are aiming something big, there also comes big sacrifices dun sa mga
True.
gusto natin. Na isa sa mga isasakripisyo natin is our personal time.
Tama.
Kasi minsan yung opportunities biglang papasok eh. If you don't show up, sayang.
Wala, mamimiss mo yung
Mapupunta sa iba.
opportunity.
I was gonna say, someone will be more willing
Yeah.
to wake up early.
Oo.
To prepare
To be
better.
there, you know?
To be there.
Oo.
And to be that go-getter.
You
Kaya sa
know-
mga immortal na nakikinig ngayon, may mga ibang tao na gusto yung pwesto ninyo kung
Yeah.
nasaan yung kalagayan nyo ngayon.
Parang mga Devil Wears Prada
Correct.
instances,
Oo,
diba?
di ba sabi nga ni Andy Sachs, ay ni binakla ko na siya. Mapupunta sa iba tong ano natin, pang ibang recording
si
to.
Andy,
Si Naiba na. Naiba na. Okay, our next step, sabi ko nga, di ba, organizing it. After that, you
Yeah.
have to genuinely commit. And to
Number
show
3,
up.
you have to show up.
You have to also show up. And number 4, always be open for feedback.
Yeah.
You have to be open for feedback kasi sometimes, and this is kasama din to sa ituturo ko later sa workshop natin, awareness is one important thing. Baka
Yeah.
mamaya hindi tayo aware kung ano yung performance natin. Pwede kasi na we see our own performance, we appreciate our own performance, but does everybody appreciate it?
Halimbawa, hindi ka aware na kinikwento mo na pala yung problema mo sa lahat ng tao sa opisina.
And yung effect.
Oo.
Because I mean, letting it out, normal sa ating mga
it's fine,
Pilipino, di
pero
ba?
to an extent, no?
Ano na nagiging effect sa environment
Oo.
natin?
Do not overshare din kasi.
Correct,
Oo.
correct.
Meron mga ganyan eh, 'di ba? Yung kunwari magreklamo masyado. Yung iba hindi lang nagse-share eh. Yung iba parang complaint.
Alam mo, lagi ko sinasabi yan na wala namang problema if we want to air out yung ating mga suliranin sa buhay. Pero ang tanong ko lagi, okay, what's next?
Yeah.
Oo.
Okay, oo nga. Naiintindihan ko yan. And then, what do we do? Diba?
Tama.
And which goes to ating my final tip para sa ating manifestation. Always be ready for the next step. Yan. Kasi darating yung time na you will become very good in manifesting. What's next? What would you want to manifest next?
Kumbaga, pag natupad mo na yung pangarap mo, mangarap ka uli.
Because
Oo,
hanggang
ano yung
dyan
next?
lang,
alam mo
di ba?
kung bakit? Now that you finally realize that you have the power to manifest, what else? Ano pang kaya?
Ako malapit na matapos yung this year matatapos yung payment sa car ko.
Oo,
What's
diba?
next, Zar?
What's
Oh, diba?
next? Mag-SUV ka na.
O hindi
Oo, diba?
Uy, actually, hindi naka-expander cross ako.
Ay, napaka-ano na nun.
Ay, hindi kailangan mo kasi sinasabi lang nila expander eh.
Expander cross kasi mas mahal yun eh.
Oo. Mas mahal yun ng
Oo, mas mahal
100,000.
yun.
So,
Oo.
dapat talaga nasabi, expander
May
cross.
premium. Pa-test drive naman ako niyan na
Ay, nako.
Ay, hindi. Gusto mo mag-test
Iba-
drive?
Alam mo anong dream car niya next?
Ano?
Destinator.
Uy, wala akong
Yun ang gusto
sinabing
niyan.
destinator
Oo. Yun yung anong
Alam mo,
Sina-
tinanong niyo ako last time yan about manifestation,
Oo.
about naman, yung aking dream car. Na sinabi ko, I'm already living it. Yung because, honestly, Montero is my dream car and I'm happy with it. So, pero yun nga, what's
Okay.
next? Paano kung
Hindi, alam mo
siya
kung anong dream car ko? A fully paid car. Yun na yun.
fully paid car.
Oo.
Kahit
wala. Ha?
Kahit
Oo,
anong
basta
car.
Basta fully paid. Okay? I don't need a lot of cars. Okay na ako
basta
dun sa
wala nang iisipin. Di ba? Alam mo, kasama rin yan sa manifestation. And later on, kaya nga alam mo, sa totoo lang, I really enjoy this topic a lot. And to bring light into really understanding it, kasi there's much more to it than really just saying na I'm gonna become this. How? How muna? And what steps? Yun ang ating mga focus later on.
Ayun. So, Marky, nakakabitin itong guesting mo rito ha. Sana maulit.
Yan ang plano natin, bitinin sila
Oo.
because marami pa tayong pasabog.
May sabi nila,
Uy.
always leave them bitin.
Yes.
Pagdating sa podcast ha.
Oo, pagdating sa podcast. At saka 'di ba, meron kang paraffle mamaya,
Oo,
Marky?
pwede-
Nako,
i-announce
you have
ngayon,
to
no?
you have to look forward to it. Talaga
Hindi,
Mamaya- mamaya sa
sasabihin
workshop.
na ba ni
Mamaya
Marky
sa workshop
ngayon
na.
kung anong
Correct.
paraffle niya? So yung mga hindi nag-attend at hindi nag-register, sayang.
Kaya
Oo.
dapat ready tayo lagi pag nag-release si underpaid ng mga
Oo.
mga announcement.
Oo, kaya
Alam natin na hindi talaga to ang sabi ko nga, una lang natin to for the year.
Oo, una lang to.
Oo.
Pero guys, I would like to invite everyone na to subscribe to the Facebook page ng Underpaid. Meron kaming TikTok, meron kaming Instagram. Tapos we have our social media pages na personal. Mark, ikaw muna.
Yes, you can find me in my social media, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. It's at Marky sorry. Yung personal.
Diba Reiki with Marky?
Oo nga, sorry na. Yung personal. At Reiki with Marky. Yeah,
Yeah.
you can find me in TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram.
Okay, Zar.
You can follow me on LinkedIn. It's Zar de los Reyes 1. So, pero meron rin ako mga social media pages like my other office PH and Zar de los Reyes 1. Zar de los Reyes 1 on TikTok.
Oh. Please follow me on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube at Stanley Chi. Tapos, Suplado Motors. Mag-subscribe
Yes.
kayo. We'll be releasing all the latest car reviews, yung mga pinuntahan namin ng mga events na regards to motoring. Yan, minamanifest
Yes.
namin yan eh.
Yes.
Help us
So-
na madagdagan yung mga subscribers, mag-share niyo yung mga videos namin.
Minamanifest namin na go 100,000 subscribers kami by the end of this year.
I-target natin siya ng mga half of the year.
Oh, sige.
Dahil
Grabe, ang
Ayan.
hirap
No.
naman ng metrics mo.
no pressure, pero manifest natin.
Sige.
There are
Sabi mo
ways.
yan, eh.
Correct, there are
Sabi
ways.
ni Marky eh. So, ako, Stanley Chi, i-follow nyo ako sa lahat. Pero we have to thank our sponsors for the Underplanned Journaling Workshop, National Bookstore, Be Happy, We Will Doodle, Think Positive, You Can Do This, The Good Poison, El Jefe, Vital, Purified Drinking Water, Suplado Shirts, Linya Linya, Urban Luggages, Co, The Collectible Store, Villa Socorro Farms, Kohi Cafe, Kamuning Bakery, Poland Hopia, Guardian Alcohol, Wipeout, Omni Electrical and Lighting, Feng Shui Sunrise by Johnson Chua, Flowy, Let Your Confidence Flow, Happy Toothpaste, TT Racing, Go Rocky, Toy Sack, and of course, Mr. Nico Lim.
At saka
magbibigay ng
yung
mga
kay Marky
pang-raffle.
pa.
And of course, si Marky
Siyempre
Mendoza. Maraming salamat.
Siksik
saka
talaga ang
ang-
mga sponsors natin.
Oo, at saka suot namin linya-linya.
Linya-linya,
Sa akin,
yan.
linya-linya in collaboration with Rappler.
Yun. Ako, linya-linya.
Ano yan? Linya-linya lang. Okay.
Ayan.
Sa akin
Manifest.
meron
Ayan,
collaboration.
Simula.
Ay,
Ay, alam mo,
Basahin
that's
mo, oh.
yan.
Basahin mo nga.
Basahin mo.
Sisimulan, pagsisikapan, at makakarating.
Kita
Diba?
niyo na?
Alam mo, napaka-meaningful kasi
Ano
pag
ba nakalagay sa akin?
Mabuting mamamahala.
Tapos mabuti pa.
Mabuti pa.
Okay.
Yan.
yan.
Okay, so guys, thanks for listening to the Underpaid Podcast. For Marky Mendoza, Zar Dels Reyes, I'm your host, Stanley Chi. This is the Underpaid Podcast.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.